Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a new day and we have things. It's in the morning. I just woke up and I don't even feel like doing anything. Yeah, table yadi dishes, it's up and down, going in and out. I have this bowl here. I need to put in water. I want to wash the sweet potatoes they gave me last week, and I bought another one. I bought another pack because it was in a combo. I didn't want to buy two packs. I want to buy one each for the combo, not to dismiss another item. So I hope I'm making a good understanding there. Yeah, so welcome and subscribe to this channel, guys. Like, share and comment. By the way, my name is Elizabeth. So this is the situation. The ones in the green cloth, they are clean. The water must go out. These ones we ate last night and I was tired. The potatoes that I'm talking about is this ones here. The lighting is going like the way they eat ones. The potatoes is this one here. Yeah, I'm going to wash them and cook them now. Yeah, guys, it was a late morning. I haven't had breakfast yet. I think I went to do the laundry first, and when I came back it was around 9:45 because I left my mother's place at around 9:30. Yeah, when I arrived at my place it was at that time, and then I just paused in on the laundry. I didn't hang it. I just opted to eat first, and yeah, luckily I'm not that person who after eating gets tired and decides to just sit down and doze in the energy of eating. No, so I had to do breakfast before I can do anything. And yeah, these days I am taking my Coke with ice just to reduce the acid a bit because it's giving me a heartburn nowadays. These potatoes, they are quick to cook. They are so easy. They didn't take time on the stove, so I was done immediately. But believe me, I'm the only one who is eating them. I really do tackle a lot of things in a space of no time. I was doing dishes. As you can see, in between dishes, I am doing this. In between dishes, I am doing that. That's how all the mothers are doing. And you gotta respect our movement, our energy. At the end of the day, we look tired, and you guys think it is our chores. We get tired, even if we are not being paid for this, but we get tired. You guys, my pots, I have used them like a full 2 years and a couple of months. I have used them. I've burned my pots. I still love them to bits. But this mark has been done by Bob, the porridge that I cook. And yeah, I think the fire was too high because the pot was too big. I didn't want to reduce the fire so that the pap can be cooked properly. So I'm just gonna put in that bleach there, leave it like that. Everything will soak out without me scrubbing the thing. Nothing makes one to be satisfied when the kitchen is clean, nothing on the top. I have come to the end of this video today, and I hope you have enjoyed, because as much as dishes are trouble in each and every household, I bet in a house there are maybe few people that like dishes, but once you start, trust me, you're gonna flow, and believe me, your space will be clean like mine. Yeah, I am done. I also wiped the stove just to prepare it for cooking, because I need to start cooking now. It's about to be towards lunchtime. I don't know what time is it. Let me see. Who is 10:44, quarter to 11. Yeah, it's time for me to do some lunch and prepare for my family. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching until the end. Thank you for watching the ads. Thank you for liking. Most importantly, sharing. I love you and I will see you in my next video.